Great opportunity. 3-bed, 2.5 bath 1,576 square feet. Built in 2005. Fully fenced backyard. Newly painted interior. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs. Master bed features walk-in closet. Downstairs, half bath, kitchen, dining room and living room. Laundry room between kitchen and garage. Close to Lincoln City's outlet mall and public beach accesses. Above the tsunami zone, outside of FEMA flood zone, close to the public parks and Devil's Lake boat launches. Enjoy well-maintained trail systems through wild and open spaces. Adorable entrance portico welcomes you home. Low-maintenance landscaping. Nearby schools, community college, restaurants, quaint